Hi guys, I'm Ashri Khandelwal and I have Redmi 9 Prime with me, and in this video I will tell you what's good and what's bad in this and if you should consider buying it under rupees 10,000 or not. So Redmi 9 Prime is priced at rupees 9,999 for the basic 4GB 64GB variant and rupees 11,999 for the top end 4GB 128GB model. So before further ado, let's just get started with the review. So let's talk about the design and display first. Well, Redmi 9 Prime comes with a textured back panel which the company calls the Aura design, and we've got the bluish and purple tone which looks quite attractive. It has a circular back panel right over here and a rear mounted fingerprint scanner with 4 rear sensors and an LED flash, while on the front you get a water drop notch display and 6.5-inch screen which throws adequate brightness under indoor lighting, but when it comes to sunlight you would find a difficulty in reading or watching movies. Performance wise, Redmi 9 Prime packs Helio G80 processor and it is quite adequate in playing games or scrolling through social media, texting or scrolling. We didn't face any issues or lag there, but when it comes to running heavy apps like editing tools, you'll find the phone getting warm really quickly. As for the software, Redmi 9 Prime gets Android 10 with MIUI 11 on top, and it does not have the app drawer, so that is the biggest disappointment. Every time like you would open and swipe up over here, you will get Google search, which is quite irksome, and there are like lots of ads as well and unnecessary loaded applications. As for the cameras, Redmi 9 Prime gets 4 rear sensors at the back and a single front camera. It has a 13 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 5 megapixel macro lens for taking close-up shots. So the pictures taken with Redmi 9 Prime were decent enough to share on social media platforms. We liked the color accuracy and there were less distortion even at night. Even you can see the camera samples for yourself, like the pictures were quite decent enough. As for the camera app, you get video, short video, slow-mo and portrait mode and an additional pro mode as well. As for the battery, Redmi 9 Prime packs 5020 mAh battery capacity with 18 watt fast charging support. It has a Type-C charging cable. So in our experience, it could almost last for 1.5 days with normal calling, texting and browsing. But remember that the battery also depends on your usage. So if you are an extensive user, you might pull it off for a single day. So to sum up, Redmi 9 Prime is a fantastic option at rupees 9,999. It has an excellent body and a bright display. The only problem that you'll face is with the cameras and slight UI, but it is quite alright at rupees 9,999. You wouldn't find any other smartphone in this price range to offer such a clean UI and excellent build with great battery capacity. So it's a big thumbs up from us, Redmi 9 Prime, and thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. See you in the next.